Hey, what's up, you happy people? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you a recipe. It's called sautéed pork thread in soybean paste. Mindful cooking, healthy eating. Let's get started.
We will need some tofu sheet for this recipe. Put the tofu sheet in boiling water. Add half teaspoon baking soda. Cook tofu sheet for 2 minutes. After cooking, rinse the tofu sheet in cold water. For the vegetable, you need scallion, cilantro, cucumbers, and red pepper. Cut all the vegetables into slices. Now, cut the pork into shreds. Add 1 teaspoon salt to the pork, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 tablespoon cooking wine, and 1 egg white. Thoroughly mix all the ingredients into the pork. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and mix well. Add 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. On the tofu sheet, line up all the shredded vegetables. Wrap the veggie tightly with the tofu sheet. Cut the tofu sheet wrap at 45 angles evenly. Add the pork shred in low heated oil. Add chopped the garlic ginger scallion. Add half cup of soybean paste. Add quarter cup of cooking wine. A tablespoon soy sauce. Add half cup of water. Add teaspoon chicken bouillon. Add the shredded pork into the wok. Finally, add starch.
This is the sautéed pork thread in soybean sauce. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you could, please subscribe my channel so you won't miss any of my future posting. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.